So the first thing, when you turn on the piano, it's always a grand piano. It's always a grand piano. You can see a grand piano. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna long click on the dwell button. That's this. Press it, and it starts to show. It starts to show this. It starts to show this. It starts to show that. Then look for the settings you want to use. So I use strings. Strings should be that's strings. So I use strings. So after doing this, then you're going to press on a category, which is press on a category. Press on a category, which is here, and then it takes you to your D volume. And you might want to increase it a little bit. Say around 100, 105 or 6 is okay. Then you move to your D octave. Now, for you to actually check what you're doing, you turn the dwell volume on. Turn it on. So when you click on it, it turns on, and then you can hear what you're doing. So once it turns on, you can adjust it to 1. And it sounds kind of better. So then, once you're done with this, you move to your M octave. Now move it to -1. I like to leave it at 0. So then the next thing is my M release, which is for sustain. Since I don't have like a sustain pedal, I use M release, so I increase the volume to around 100 and something, and then it becomes. And you can hear the volume echo. So once I'm done with that, I'll move to M reverb, then increase it a little bit, around 60 something. And it gives it that complete sound. Now I'm going to turn on harmony. I turn on harmony, and then it has that lasting sound.